Welcome to CyberCloud Jobs. Volvo Group is hiring fresh graduates under the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. If you are completed BE B.Tech from 2022 to 2024, this is a one-year program, gives you real-world experience in technologies like Python, AI, ML, and UiPath. You work on the full-time role from Bangalore's Volvo office, and you gain valuable skills and receive stipend during the training. The stipend is around 25,000 rupees. Don't miss this chance to start your career with a global automotive leader. Apply now. I just give the Volvo Group's career website. Don't miss this chance. If you are complete your degree in 2022 to 2024, now this is eligible. The stipend is around 25,000 rupees for 1 year. So this is a great opportunity to work with such a big company, Volvo. I just give the link in description, try to apply for the job. And please subscribe me for more tech job updates.